Hey guys, since yesterday I am craving for Sahi Paneer and I know one of the Pati. He's saying since long can I come in my kitchen, Patiyon ka kitchen and prepare Sahi Paneer along with me. Inviting today that Pati who is also craving for Sahi Paneer.
Hi, Jay, how are you?
Good man.
Good to
Just
see you.
weekend, lazy weekend, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Thanks for calling me over.
Yeah, no, thank you. Thanks for coming in.
So yeah, I've been thinking about surprising my wife with something that she likes, and all I've done so far is just paneer burji and egg burji and some basic stuff in the kitchen. So I want to elevate my cooking by learning how to do shahi paneer, and I know you to mention that you are going to cook shahi paneer today, so I thought I'll learn from the best.
Guys, we are going to make Sahi Paneer today. We have to first make the curry paste.
Okay.
To make the curry paste, we need, as I said, one onion
Okay.
and tomato. And you can cut in any shape and size, not very small, but medium size and medium size tomato. And then we are going to fry this in the butter.
Okay.
But let's first start chopping it.
Okay. So you want the whole onion?
Whole onion and any form and shape.
Okay.
You cut one onion. Now
Yep.
you need to cut 3 tomatoes as well.
All right. Okay.
So now these tomatoes are over. You have cut all the tomatoes. Along with tomato, we also need to chop these garlic and ginger and this green chili.
Okay. Smaller pieces or cut in the middle?
No, it's not. Green chili is over. You can now cut these.
Interesting.
Good, great. So our chopping is done. We have done chopping for this onion, tomato, green chili, garlic and ginger. To cook it, we are going to cook in butter, as I said. So why don't you put some butter in this? Half of the green chili. This, yeah. Sorry,
Okay.
yeah. Full of this.
Right green.
Yeah. Black peppers, yeah.
Okay.
And then put. And once it is slightly done,
Okay.
you can now put green chili and ginger and garlic.
Okay. I can already smell.
You smell it, right?
Yes, ginger, garlic.
Now you can put your all of the onion. So I think this is almost done
Okay.
with respect to onion.
Okay.
Now
Time to
you
add
can see, as I said, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you see the onion has started leaving the oil, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So Hari, these are the other ingredients which we talked about. This is the
This is the.
half tablespoon of turmeric powder.
Okay.
Just put it
The whole
complete.
thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Half tablespoon of, this is red chili powder actually.
Oh, okay.
Put it complete.
Okay.
This is 2 tablespoon of coriander powder.
Okay.
Put it complete. Mix it well. Now you put these all cashew nuts.
Okay.
This is approximately 20 grams of cashew nuts.
Okay.
Put half of this salt or
Okay.
approximately 2 teaspoon. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Mix it well and then we'll put tomatoes in that.
Alright. Very colorful now.
Yeah. We'll put the lid on this.
Okay.
We'll keep it for 2 minutes
Okay.
and then by the time it will cook and we'll keep it for cool for some time.
Sounds good.
So let's try. I think this is now done. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
That looks amazing.
Right? And everything is done.
Okay.
What we need to do, we need to keep it to cool for some time before we grind it.
Okay. Okay, I'll turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So looks like this is cold now. We have waited for more than an hour. Now you can grind it in the grinder.
Okay.
Yep. Must be done.
Okay.
Once butter is little melted, you need to put some Kashmiri red chili powder. Approximately 1 tablespoon of 1 teaspoon. Yeah, little more. That's it. And now you can put the curry which you have, the paste which you have just made.
Okay, let's do
The
it.
whole of it, you just put it. Just mix it well.
Okay.
Now curry is coming up, right?
Yep, I can see that. Yes.
Indian garam masala.
Okay.
Any garam masala will do, but just to enhance some taste. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll put some honey. This is
Okay.
just to make little sweeter taste. It is approximately 1 spoon, one
Okay.
tablespoon of honey.
Okay.
Any cream will. This is double cream. Any cream will do.
Okay.
Kasuri methi. We put this to enhance the taste.
Okay.
Take in your hand, rub it like this. It is not. It will not go very smooth.
Okay.
But whatever it is,
The whole
that's
of
it. No, that's it. This is good enough.
Okay. Okay.
That's the right way.
Right.
This is the last part. As I said, cumin seeds powder.
Okay.
We don't put cumin seed. We put cumin seed powder.
Okay.
So half of it, which is approximately quarter of the tablespoon.
Okay. Lot of ingredients, but the process is fairly straightforward.
This is the paneer, which we
Okay.
cut in pieces.
Okay.
Put all of this paneer in this.
Okay.
When you mix and post that, what we'll do, we'll cover it. Cover it
Okay.
with the lid, and we'll do it for 2 minutes
Okay.
so that it gets mixed pretty well.
Okay.
Fantastic. Cover it well, and for 2 minutes, and then done.
Perfect.
Hello all, welcome to Patiyon Ka Kitchen. I am really excited to try Hari's Shahi Paneer today. To be very frank, Hari has cooked before. He does like cooking. So I think I'm really excited to try it out. So bring it on.
Alright, here we go. Here's my hours of hard work, at least minutes of hard work. Here is some naan and the amazing, most hype talked about Shahi Paneer.
Nice.
Learned from the best.
Wow, it smells really good.
Yeah, I learned it from the expert Ajay. He said everything from all the steps. So give it a go.
Wow. Good job.
Nice. I know, all thanks to Ajay.
Great job, Ajay.
Good one, man.
See?
Good
Great
one.
job.
Nice.
It is very good. It's
Good.
really good. Tastes very creamy and restaurant style, although it doesn't taste so heavy. It's
Thanks, Hari. Thanks
Good
for
job,
coming
Hari.
and doing
Yes,
this.
thanks
so
for-
next
Thanks,
potluck we
Patiyon
have
Ka
Shahi
Kitchen.
Paneer.
Oh, of course. Thanks, Patiyon Kitchen.
Thank you.